Hello friends, welcome to Kishan's University of Sustainability. So in this video, we are going to discuss about the sustainability plan and sustainability initiatives which are taken by the Harvard University Sustainability Wing. So in this video, we are going to know each and every aspect which has taken by Harvard towards to meet the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals path. So here in this line with sustainability, the Harvard University has taken the major plan, that is Harvard Sustainability Plan. So, which is a university roadmap for building and operating a healthier and more sustainable campus community. And the Harvard Sustainability Plan aligns Harvard's decentralized campus around a holistic vision and sets clear university-wide goals and prioritize in the areas of emissions, energy, climate change, and operations, and nature and ecosystem, health and well-being, and culture and learning. So, the university encourages students, faculty, and staff to continue piloting sustainability solutions throughout the university by using Harvard's cutting edge research and teaching to tackle the real world problems and challenges which are facing now. And the Harvard University Sustainability Plan recognizes that creating a sustainable campus which strengthens core research and teaching mission towards to approach towards to sustainability. Harvard University has taken sustainability initiatives in the areas of academics, research, climate change and energy, community engagement, food, and green buildings, health and wellness, waste and water. So here, the Harvard University committed to translating research and teaching into practice by piloting solutions to real world challenges. So the ideas, innovation, and discovery and rigorous independent thought will serve as indispensable elements in combating the climate threat, which is going to provide the different initiatives. And in this academic and research, the Harvard University has taken the Living Lab facility and Harvard University Center for Environment and Center for Health and Global Environment and Harvard University uh, Sustainability Science Program and Harvard Environmental Economics Program and next one, Harvard Center for Greener Buildings and Cities, and the Future of Energy Initiative, and Harvard Project and Climate Agreements, and Harvard Global Health Institute, and Harvard China Project, and Working Group for Sustainable Cities. The Working Group for Sustainable Cities is a cross-disciplinary, which is going to offering, and it brings together the faculties of Harvard and professors and students and industry leaders to make, the sustainable leaders in the areas of economic and social and environmental sustainability. And other school-based environmental programs are there, and Harvard Center for Green Buildings and Cities, and Sustainability Science Program of Harvard Kennedy School, and Environment and Natural Resources Program, which conducts policy relevant research, and Environmental Law Program, and Emmett Environmental Law and Policy Clinic, and Food Law and Policy Clinic, and other online learning programs, that is Harvard X, which is launched in parallel with the edX, that is Harvard and MIT founded. So Harvard X is a faculty driven and university wide effort that will aims to be collaborative and representational of Harvard's academic diversity. And here the next program, that is in the area of climate, what is that, climate change and energy. So in that area, Harvard University has taken uh, different initiatives. So, which are and climate action plan of Harvard will build the post progress and use the campus to confront the difficult questions posed by climate change and just promising new solutions that move forward and the world away from fossil fuels. So, in this climate change and energy, the Harvard University has taken 26 and 2016 climate goal and energy efficiency. The facilities leaders and building managers aggressively pursue energy efficiency as a part of university climate strategy. So, in this energy efficiency, the energy use was reduced by 10% across campus. So, and coming to renewable energy area, so on-site solar PVs and solar thermal biomass and geothermal installations play an important role in diversifying Harvard's energy supply and serving as a testing ground to inform future action. And in the area of preparedness and resiliency, so here Harvard is proactively working with our neighboring cities of Cambridge and Boston to better understand and plan for the impact of climate change and external partnerships. So in this, Harvard is leading partnerships across higher education, government, and business to develop shared solutions to climate challenges on local, regional, and global level. And fossil fuel neutral by 2016. Harvard climate goals address health and equity impact of fossil fuels. Harvard was one of the first organizations in February 2018 to announce a fossil fuel free goal, which is going to eliminate the use of all fossil fuels to heat, cool, and power buildings and vehicles on its campus by 2050. So that is about the facilities and initiatives which has taken by Harvard University in the areas of climate change and energy. And in the area of community engagement and the strong collaboration among students, faculty, and staff across Harvard schools and departments, which will be creates long-lasting solutions towards the sustainability problems. And here, the Harvard community is committed to changing the culture of how they work and live. So the Harvard University, which will believe that universities must not only carry out research but also translate the findings of that research into the real world action. And community engagement campaigns and programs are focused on using the Harvard campus to incubate great ideas and replicable models for change. And here coming to the student engagement area. So there has taken peer-to-peer education and outreach program and a Council of Student Sustainability Leaders program and active student groups program towards to engagement of community of campus. And the student sustainability grants which has taken in this community engagement part and campus sustainability innovation fund which is about 50,000 US dollars, which is going to funding for faculty, student research projects, which tackle on campus or community challenges and lead to the application of new strategies toward the sustainability development. And in the areas of employee engagement, the Harvard University has taken major initiatives like green teams, which are going to comprised of motivated, energetic, and passionate employees who are going to dedicate to make Harvard as a more sustainable place to work, learn, and live. And Office Green Program and a Green Welcome for new employees. And the otherwise I mean Harvard Community Garden is also taken and Conway Community Garden, Harvard Divinity School Community Garden, and Harvard Faculty Club. And these are the different programs of Harvard University in the area of community engagement and in the area of sustainable food and sustainable and health food standards as taken by Harvard University. Those are sustainable and healthful food standards or developed by a multidisciplinary faculty and Plants and Commission on Food and Planet and Health. This is one other initiative of Harvard University. And a good food purchasing program has also taken by Harvard University. And the other sustainable and health food standards, which are there in each and every aspect, which is going to reduce impact of change by increasing proportion of foods that have smaller emissions footprints and consumer well-being, that is going to food safety and nutrition levels also. These are the different areas as taken by Harvard University towards the sustainable food program. And in the areas of green buildings, sustainability buildings, the Harvard University has taken some other different steps. I mean, Harvard is committed uh, to maintaining university-wide compliance with the Harvard Green Building Standards. The Green Building Standards, as taken by Harvard University, which has developed in coordination with facilities leaders across Harvard and aligned with decentralized university around common set of principles, and which are going to mainly focusing on how to create spaces for research and teaching using the latest in the high energy efficiency techniques. And revolving fund, life cycle cost policy, temperature policy, lead case studies, green building services. These are and another Center for Green Building and Cities, Nature Health and Build Environment Program. These are different programs of Harvard University just taken in the area of green buildings. And in the areas of transportation, the Harvard is working to reduce campus, fleet, and shuttle emissions, maintain and improve sustainable transportation opportunities, which is going to increasing by bikeability and safety in the area of Harvard campus. And Harvard University has taken sustainable travel and commuting policy and greening the fleet and Harvard's shuttle bus fleet, six hybrid vehicles and bicycling and additional transport resources like Harvard on the Move, interactive bike map, Harvard Works map, electric vehicle charging stations. These are the different programs and main initiatives in the area of transportation of Harvard University. And next, coming to the waste management, Harvard is focused on operating an efficient campus that incentivizes reuse and minimizes the amount of waste that Harvard produces. So here, Harvard has a goal to reduce waste per capita 50% by 2020 from a 2006 baseline. The Harvard focused on minimizing and responsible and ethical recycling and disposing of hazardous and electronic materials. And in areas of reuse, composting, recycling, e-waste, all are has taken by the Harvard University towards to make university is very healthy and in the areas of water, innovative water conservation technology and landscaping techniques or reducing the water use on campus. Harvard has a goal to reduce university-wide water use 30% by 2020 and water conservation in built environment and the green roofs and irrigation beyond the bottle and Water Security Initiative at Harvard. These are different initiatives of Harvard University in the areas of water. So thank you very much, friends. Please make sure that if you feel this information is, very essential and worthwhile, so please make a comment and share and click on like button. Thank you very much.